Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders, an initiative under Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. College Dunia is one of India's leading education portals catering to students, parents, and education industry players who are seeking information on exams, cutoffs, student reviews, or applying to colleges. Today, we have with us Professor Praveen Mishra, Dean, School of Design at reputed Vijay Bhumi University. Welcome to the show, sir.
Hello, thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah. So I'd like to begin this session, sir, by enlightening our audience with a brief introduction of yours. Professor Praveen Mishra is a communications designer, an award-winning filmmaker, and an accomplished painter. His numerous accolades include the National Critics Award at the prestigious Mumbai International Film Festival and the Best Documentary Film Award at Ahmedabad International Film Festival in 2009. Professor Praveen has conducted lectures, workshops, talks, screenings by various education institutes in India and abroad. In 2017, he delivered lectures on storytelling and visual communication at the reputed University of South California and the Michigan State University in the United States of America. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us your time. We are very happy to have you with us today. Beginning with the interview.
My pleasure.
My first question to you is, you have held key positions at education institutes throughout your professional career. Could you please explain what kept you connected with the education sector? And if you could just throw some light on your experience so far with the institute?
Sure. So they say knowledge shared is knowledge squared. Now I'm a design practitioner, and sharing my learnings helps me convert them into knowledge. Yeah? And it also makes being a knowledge facilitator an exciting job. The students remain aware of real life industry challenges. I'm also a design student, by the way. I am in my fourth year of PhD at National Institute of Design. And see, what happens is there's something important that I'd like to share. One second, just give me a moment. Let's switch on the fan, please. Can we do this again, please?
Yeah.
Aditya?
Yeah. So you have held key positions at education institutes throughout your professional career, sir. Could you please share what kept you connected with the education sector, and could you please throw some light on your experience so far with Vijay Bhumi University?
Sure, Aditya. See, they say knowledge shared is knowledge squared. I'm a design practitioner, and sharing my learning helps me convert them into knowledge. And it also makes being a knowledge facilitator an exciting job. The students remain aware of the real life industry challenges. By the way, I'm also a design student. I'm in the fourth year of PhD at National Institute of Design, relating various existing knowledge with the new age research and experiments and your own learnings. And this gives birth to new domain knowledge. Now, my experience with the education sector, and specifically Vijay Bhumi University, has been extremely satisfying and extremely exciting also. Talking about education, a teacher touches tomorrow. But in order to do so, they face several challenges today. The internet, the mobile phone, social networking, it has shrunk the world into our pockets. The knowledge of almost anything under the sky is available in the sky. Now, this definitely has produced a smarter generation. And thus, it has also thrown new challenges to the educators worldwide. Now, teaching is recognized as one of the most challenging and respected career choices, absolutely vital to the social, cultural, and economic growth of the world and the society. A good teacher inspires hope, ignites imagination, and instills a love for learning. Now, teaching is the fine art and science of to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge by poking with sharp stick called truth. Yeah. So it's been wonderful, and I personally feel very happy to be here.
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is, being the dean of the Vijay Bhumi School of Designs, could you please share with our audience your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
Okay, so basically, I have as a dean of Vijay Bhumi School of Design, I have three roles. First, to ensure a very unique curriculum, a design. See, design as a process of co-creation with the user. Now, design as a multidisciplinary discipline, a dean must be able to develop curriculum that's content-rich and challenging, but also engaging. Now, that's my first task. The second task as a dean is to ensure kick-ass design studio with top-end equipment like cameras, lenses, and recording equipment, etc. Third task is to ensure a conducive learning environment. And Vijay Bhumi, being situated in the lap of Mother Nature, being surrounded by Sahyadri Mountains by 360 degrees, it's very conducive for learning design. The essence of education is a close relationship between a knowledgeable, caring adult and a secure, motivated youth. A dean's most important role is to get to know each student as an individual in order to comprehend his or her unique needs, learning style, social and cultural background, their interest and their abilities. Yeah? So basically our job is to counsel students as they grow and mature, helping them integrate their social, emotional and intellectual growth.
Okay, sir. This brings me to the next question. How do you strategize about the key programs and the plans for the marketing and administration of your school?
Okay, so we have a marketing strategy in place and our extremely competent team also for outreach and activities. About administration, we have systems in place and that's frequently revisited and evaluated.
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is, you mentioned that kids in the Vijay Bhumi University is situated in the lap of Mother Nature, creating a conducive environment for the students to learn and excel. So
Yes.
could you please mention if the university has any extracurricular activities or programs to enhance the skills of the students, or rather I would say expose them to real world challenges?
Aditya Narayan, now at Vijay Bhumi, we don't bracket anything as extracurricular. Now, what happens is anything that is needed to become a tough and continuously employable professional is very much part of our curriculum. Yeah, it's an integral part of our curriculum.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So, how does the curriculum here at the Vijay Bhumi School of Design ensure that the students are being taught the subjects and the content which will prepare them for the future?
Well, at Vijay Bhumi, we are looking at design very differently. It's multidisciplinary, it's interdisciplinary, and we emphasize on learning by solving, that's our pedagogy, and a lot of co-learning happens here, right? And that basically ensures student are there to make the student future ready. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So my next
future
question
is all uncertain. Anyway. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, so please carry on.
My internet connection is slightly unstable. That's what it says. Yeah, you're able to see me and hear me properly, right?
So there was a bit of lag. So can you just repeat this
Are
question?
you able to see me?
Yeah, I'm able to see you, but there's some quite a lag in the voice. So can we repeat with the question? I'll just ask the question again and then we can start. Yeah. Can you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So,
No, I was not asking. I think you wanted to ask, no?
yes, I just said that there was some lag. So I just wanted, like, if I can repeat the question.
Yeah.
So how does the curriculum
Please.
here at the Vijay Bhumi School of Design ensure that the students are being taught and prepared for the future?
Yeah. So we are looking at design education very differently. We're making. I'm sorry. Can I repeat that again?
Yeah.
So curriculum at Vijay Bhumi is very different from the typical design curriculum in any other design school. We have made design as a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and also co-learning. Co-learning is very important. It's learning by solving. Now, these actually makes tough designers and tough professionals who are basically future ready. The future is uncertain. Like, it will throw up new challenges. So only people who have a multidisciplinary approach to design, to solve problems, are the ones who are going to stay relevant and remain continuously employable. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is, how does the institute tries to bring in a practical approach towards the students and make it industry oriented?
Okay. As I mentioned, like, a typical show and tell and lectures in terms of parting knowledge has become irrelevant already. Yeah? So for us, learning by solving and also having people who are constantly working in the industry, so they bring the industry knowledge all the time. Yeah. So that's basically, and also we have internships that play a very, very important role for the students to connect the classroom learning with the industrial reality. Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, sir. So this brings me to the next question. How does the institute enhances the skills of the faculty and prepares them according to industry standards to train the students?
So at Vijay Bhumi, we create tough professionals. Yeah. Schools are no more the education factories in which like-aged youngsters would sit still for standardized lessons. Yeah? The task of modern educator is to assist discovery, and that's being one of the anchors at Vijay Bhumi, and not just information dispensation. Yeah? A teacher's job is never boring. It's important because democracy depends on what happens in our schools. As Krista McCaffrey famously said, I touch future, I teach. Yeah. So that's basically being relevant and being extremely important in the larger functioning of the world. Yeah?
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is, how do you personally help your students to cope up with the competition? Cope up with the competition being so high in the outside world?
Nay, 1 second. I just touched that question right now. No, what did I answer that?
I asked a question, sir. The previous question was, how does the faculty? How are the faculties being trained to?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now the question I'm asking is, how do you personally help students to cope up with the competition? The previous two questions were like, all the questions were the same as I thought of reversing the order. So that
now that's also a little difficult because my questions order that I have in front of me is different. Anyway, so how do you?
I'll just start again so that the team it's easier for a team to edit properly.
Correct. Yeah.
So how do you help your students, sir, personally to cope up with a competition which is so high in the outside world?
Okay, so being knowledgeable isn't enough. To be successful in a highly competitive world, you have to be tough professionals. Yeah, so you have to be emotionally, physically strong also. And because we have things like the personality enhancement program, we have lots of sporting activities. We have even horse riding right now. So that actually all these activities, and also we have regular trekking activities. People go into the wild. Now those things makes people physically as well as emotionally strong. So you are in touch with nature. You're in touch with other things, and you also get trained, deal with uncertainties and real life situations. Yeah. So that's what I mentioned. Like, we do not have extracurricular. That's very much part of our curriculum, and every activity here is credited also. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Next question to you, sir, is what would you like our audience to know more about Vijayabhumi University, which they may not know, or which they rarely know about?
Okay. So Vijayabhumi University is India's first liberal professional university. It's a unique university. Okay. Now, Vijayabhumi School of Design as probably the first communication design school who has made design learning an interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary. So these are the two things that I would like for the university as well as the School of Design. Let's try and understand when I'm talking about multidisciplinary, what exactly we are. So let me talk about some of the greatest strength of what Vijayabhumi School of Design has. Vijayabhumi School of Design is India's first design school who has integrated business, music, law, data science, and artificial intelligence into the design curriculum. Yeah, that this makes a student future ready and continuously employable in a highly unpredictable world. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So let me ask the final question for the day. Any suggestions, sir, you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Okay, so in general, this is a very generic answer for anybody who want to be a good student. There's an undercurrent of I know it all attitude that's prevalent amongst the youth. This works as a resistance to learning. A good learning is you have to constantly unlearn to relearn, yeah, because knowledge also is quite dynamic that way. Now, in the changed circumstances, other than the oratory skills, a teacher also has to enhance their performance skills to for the students. Now, that is for the teachers. And for a student, it is also important to be responsive. Sometimes, like especially in today's times, what happens is like many classes are happening online. And most universities are running in a hybrid mode. Now, what happens is if the students become less responsive, the task of a teacher even increases. Yeah. So students, never be a consumer of facts, because that's only information. Okay. So now, and also see yourself as active creators, co-creators of knowledge. So only when you see that, only if you see that you don't see an university as a brick and mortar structure, you see an university or a school as a place for lifelong learning, right? And where you co-create knowledge with your batchmates along with your teachers. Yeah. So all those things are general. If you want to have a career in design, now let me tell you, the design has changed. The way it was it was more of a broadcast. Yeah. Like, you broadcast, you create one thing, especially communication design, you create one thing and you broadcast through broadcasting mediums. The design is now narrowcast. The AI and data science has profiled each one of us, right? Each one of us are a target audience. Now, based on who that person is, a customized design, customized information goes to that person, right? That's narrowcasting. And think about it, if the old curriculum has become completely irrelevant in today's time, especially the post-COVID world is going to see a very different kind of communication design. Yeah. So one has to have a curriculum which is different, and we are offering that. Hopefully, like you come across to Vijayabhumi School of Design webpage, and you'll get to know how we're looking design so differently. Yeah. So that's my little advice. Like, be excited about learning. Don't be passive learner. Be an active learner, and have a purpose of learning. Whenever you learn, you share that and make the world a better place.
Thank you, sir. This was certainly an insightful session.
Thank you so much, Aditya Narayan.